Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an essential skill in engineering and physics, drawing free body diagrams, or FBDs. So, grab your pencils and let's dive right in. In this video, we will focus on drawing an FBD for a force of 19.62 kilonewtons, denoted as F. So, let's get started. First, we need to establish a coordinate system for our diagram. Let's choose a simple Cartesian coordinate system with x and y axes. Next, we'll draw a dot to represent the point where the force is being applied. This dot indicates the object we're studying, and we'll call it point A. Now, we'll draw an arrow representing the force F. The length of the arrow represents the magnitude of the force, which in this case is 19.62 kilonewtons. We'll label it as F equals 19.62 kilonewtons. Remember, arrows on FBDs show only the force's direction and magnitude, not its point of application. Now, let's move on to resolving the force F into its components. We'll show the horizontal component as Fx and the vertical component as phi. To find these components, we can use basic trigonometry. In this case, the force F makes an angle with the positive x-axis, so we'll use sine and cosine functions to calculate Fx and phi. To represent Fx, we'll draw a dashed line parallel to the x-axis from point A to represent the horizontal component. Label it as Fx. Similarly, for phi, we'll draw a dashed line perpendicular to the x-axis. Label it as phi. And there you have it. You've successfully drawn the free body diagram for F equals 19.62 kilonewtons. Practice drawing FBDs like this, and soon you'll be mastering this skill. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.